So hello guys, today I am going to tell you one interesting chess trick. This trick is called the Tennyson Gambit. What is Gambit? Gambit is a thing. The Gambit is a trap in which you can sacrifice your little thing like pawn and take some really high piece that is the opponent's queen. So this trick is actually for the white. So let's start with our video, but before starting I want to tell you that I have interesting puzzle for you. So watch this video till end, and if you are not subscribed till yet, subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, very good, and if you like this video, please click on the like button or thumbs up button below to support me, to like me. So let's start with our video. So this video is especially for the white. So this can be tried from by the black, but in some another way. For this way it is only for the white. So let's start with our video. So we are white and we will play our little pawn to e4. Its opponent's move. Opponent does his pawn to d5. We take our knight to f3. he takes his he takes his our pawn by his pawn. So from here you can see that pawn is attacking our knight, so we have to do something. So we will keep it on g5. From here you can see that our knight is attacking to this little pawn which is on here, which is on e4, and it also is attacking on this little weak pawn which is on f7. So the best move for the and natural move for the black is to take his knight and put it on f6, guarding that little pawn. So from here you can see his knight is guarding this pawn, so we have to do something of it. We will do cheeky little move over here, which is to take our pawn and to keep it on d3. So from here you can see our pawn is attacking to this pawn, so the most obvious move from the black is to take this pawn. We will not take this pawn with our pawn, but we will take this pawn with our bishop to d3. So from here you can see that our little his pawn is gone, and we wanted that to take our bishop over here. So we will its opponent move. Opponent can do anything. He can take his pawn to h6, attacking this our knight. So he can also take his black to his uh, his knight to h4, g4, sorry, g4. So this is not little good move, because this knight can be easily pushed by this move, but we will not do that. We will do some another move, which is, so from here the black has two moves: this knight to take to g4, and to take this pawn to h6. That is not dependent, because if it takes this, we will easily take this pawn which is on the f7. So from here you can see that our knight is not guarded with anything, but it can but it is attacking to the queen as well as his rook. So from here you can see that there is no other chance but to take this knight. So it's time for a check now, by keeping our bishop to g6. So the king cannot come back, because uh, our bishop is diagonally attacking to it. So the best move for here, and a natural move, is to take this our bishop, and from here you can easily see that our queen is easily taking the opponent's queen. So from here you can easily win this game from here. So So thank you guys for seeing this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button to see all my upcoming videos. So thank you guys, let's see you on the next video. Thank you.